Hey, hi, this is Rohit. So today in this particular video, we are going to learn about how to make 1 molarity of a solution of the disodium hydrogen phosphate, right? So basically, what is the perfect amount that we dissolve in a 1 liter of solutions according to your recipe? It means if you have the anhydride salt, right? Anhydride, it is basically disodium hydrogen phosphate anhydride salt. Then you have to be add 142 gram of the salt in the 1 liter of water. But otherwise, if you have the dihydrogen salt, right, as I have, let me explain. Alright, so as you can see that I have a dihydrogen salt, right? So in the case of the dihydrogen salt, as you can see that the molecular weight are increases by the 2 mole of the water, right? So basically 1 mole of water is approximately 18 grams. So now you have to be add 142 plus 36, right? So it's approximately 178 grams. Right? So I'm just trying to tell you about what is the amount that we dissolve in 1 liter. So if you have anhydrous salt, then you have to be add 142 gram of the salt of the disodium hydrogen phosphate. And if you have disodium hydrogen phosphate dihydrate, then you have to be add 178 gram of the salt. And if you have the heptahydrate, it means the disodium hydrogen phosphate heptahydrate, then you have to be add approximately 126, right? 126, because the 18 is the 18 is the molecular weight of the 1 mole of water molecule. So in the case of the 7 molecules, so now 7 into weight it is approximately 126. So now you have to be at 142 is 126, approximately 268 grams of salt in case of the heptahydrate. All right. So this is basically talk about what is the amount of salt that are dissolved in the water. So I already measured the solution of the hydrogen phosphate, disodium hydrogen phosphate. Right, so this is a 178 gram of the disodium hydrogen phosphate, and I'm just pour into in this particular glass jar using the funnel, right? Using the funnel and rest of the water. So in this way, you can make the one molarity of this disodium hydrogen phosphate, right? So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like chemistry practicals and more theory based topics, right? So thank you.